Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your profile photo on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. First click here on the settings icon. Now here you will find here, click on it, and now you can choose take a photo or choose from library or use your avatar, and that's it. That's how to change your profile picture on your account on Messenger, easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.